welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a powerful new feature in Google Chrome
जा पूछ के आ।
called Split View that lets you see two websites side by side in one window. What is Split View? A Split View allows you to open two tabs in a single screen. On the left, on the right. Both tabs work independently. You can scroll, click and browse separately. You can also resize them by dragging the divider in the middle. Let's see you how to use it.
बुरा लगा।
First open two tabs like Facebook and now right click on the tab. Click new split view with current tab. Now select the second tab and that's it. Both pages will open side by side. You can also right click any link. Click open link in split view and it will directly open in split screen. You can also manage split view. Right click the split tab and reverse views or move to a new window. Click separate views. You can adjust size by dragging the center line. If you do not see the feature, update your Google to the latest version or enable it from Chrome flags. Use cases: this feature is perfect for study and research, shopping and comparison, coding and documentation, notes and reading together. So this is how you can use the split view. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.